I am Srinivas Mankadi. I am the founder of Master Mentors Advisory Limited. We are focusing a lot on blockchain based products, services and blockchain training and a number of blockchain related activities. So I have been working in the blockchain domain for the past 4 years very actively, and all of us are aware blockchain in the form of Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency which was launched in January 3rd, 2009 and recently touched over $60,000 per unit. And world over there has been a craze about these cryptocurrencies. But I have been working extensively in the domain of enterprise applications and government applications. I have worked in National Institute of Smart Government and Indian government floated organization and worked extensively on how blockchain can be implemented by various public sector organizations and government departments, especially in the domain of agriculture, startup record keeping, or healthcare, a number of other related domains. And recently I have left National Institute of Smart Government. I floated my own company. We are offering extensive training on blockchain for enterprises and students, for government officials. We have a portal called genuinitylabs.com in which we take the students from very much fundamentals. We offer a course called IT Fundamentals in Blockchain, which we have launched in conjunction with Mr. Naveen Reddy, a legend in the domain of IT training. He has a portal called Telesco and a YouTube channel through which he does extensive free training to professionals, and a lot of IT professionals have gone through his training and got into leading companies. We have tied up with them and offering courses in IT fundamentals in blockchain, and then we are also offering blockchain for non-IT professionals in the form of certified blockchain professional, and for experienced people we are also offering certified blockchain solution consulting training program. And our idea is to make everybody understand the importance of this new emerging technology which is sweeping across the world, and make them realize how these can actually transform our lives in the future, because blockchain has the ability to offer trust in all our transactions. By offering trust in an automated fashion, it will help us to remove all unwanted middlemen. Currently, we are all dependent on centralized unwanted middlemen who are offering trust but taking disproportionate amount of money, and all these things are also leading to number of fake products and fake services and fake identities and fake claims across whatever operations we do. In other words, we are paying a lot of money but still we are victims of this fake products and services. But blockchain will eliminate all these things. It will ensure accountability, it will ensure a lot of trust, it will ensure a lot of security in transactions, because of which it has got multiple uses, and it has the ability to dramatically crash the cost of living, cost of conducting our transactions, increase the profitability of organizations. So in Master Mentors Advisory Private Limited, we are offering various solutions, products and services around the blockchain domain. For example, recently we have faced this pandemic. In the pandemic, we have lost a lot of lives, and a lot of leading personalities have lost their lives. And I have written this book, Lost in Pandemic, Found in Pandemic, about a couple of months back, when we were faced with the peak of the pandemic, second wave, and a lot of people were dying, and I lost a lot of my friends and very close friends and colleagues, and it was very tragic time for me, and I was very depressed. But I could overcome the situation. Then I wrote a lot about all these people who lost their lives, and also wrote about number of best practices and number of leading personalities who was helping us overcome this bad situation by infusing good habits in us, whether it is for exercising, whether it is for also doing a lot of charity activities, whether it is doing aerobics, whether it is doing inculcating healthy lifestyle. There is one person called Pratibha Agarwal, who is excellent in yoga. She was teaching yoga to a lot of people and meditation to overcome all these things. So then there is a person called Dinas who is very good in aerobics. So I wrote about all these people. Then I realized that a lot of people who died, they died all of a sudden, and they died without a will, right? So a lot of the families went into trouble because they don't know what are the assets really owned by these people, and where are their wills kept, and whether they have written the will at all or not. That is when we came out with a product called Blockchain for Wills Management, and we launched a portal called willsdocs.com, wherein we will facilitate all the individuals to store all that, write and store all their wills with the help of a lawyer and a notary in a blockchain based record keeping services, and they will also store all their details about what all properties they own, so that if something happens, untoward happens all of a sudden, their family is not left in the lurch. And since it is stored in a blockchain, it will offer a lot of privacy and security and secrecy and confidentiality. And if something happens, people can be rest assured that this data is trustworthy, and it is immutable, it is tamper resistant, and there's and all the through a smart contract triggered application, it can be ensured all the people who are supposed to nominees can receive the information and instantaneously, and that can be trusted, and that can be executed and implemented. So that is how we got thought about a product that will help all of us. It will help every individual in the country today. Every citizen potentially can use this product and store their wills in a safe and secure manner. Then we are also launching blockchain training program under genuinitylabs.com. Then we realized that the certificates that we are offering to all these students, they have to be very trustworthy, and from anywhere in the world, if a student is able to present the certificate, they should be able to instantaneously verify that it is genuine certificate or not. We know that today you can get potentially a degree certificate of any university by paying some money, but it could be a fake certificate. That's because there are a lot of middlemen, and there are printers, and it takes a lot of time to check any certificate whether it is original or not. Very tedious processes are going on. So even recently JNTU, I have JNTU Hyderabad and JNTU Telangana, they are also planning to come out with a request for proposals to store all the certificates issued to the students in a blockchain connected record keeping services, right? That will help their students to immediately offer the proof of their studying in JNTU and the passing the examination and the marks to anybody in the world, any university where they are applying, or any employer, instantaneously. So we are offering unicerts.com, a blockchain based certificate verification service, wherein we offer certificates to all our students who are passing out of our courses, or if any university or any training institute wants to offer very trustworthy certificates to students. Through this service, they can offer genuine, very nominal cost by eliminating a lot of paperwork, a lot of middlemen, a lot of third-party services which are nowadays offering their services to verify the certificates, etc. Thus reducing the cost a lot. People can verify the certificate's genuinity. Right? This is another product which we are offering, and we are also offering to all the organizations employee rewards and recognition program on blockchain, through which they can employees can reward each other, or company can reward their employees for any good work that is done in the form of recognition or reward points, which can then be which can be redeemed periodically, either in the form of money or through certain subscription to events or merchandise, etc. And this entire record keeping easily managed very beautifully through a blockchain based application. So we have got customers also for this. So we are offering a variety of products and services. Then we also realize all the startups today, they are having a lot of problem in managing their record keeping, their shareholding among the various founders, and how keeping track of the effort they are spending. And there's a lot of money, services that are in the company without taking any money or salary, but should be accounted in the form of sweat equity, or the money they are invested, there should be some sort of a reward for that in the form of shares in the organization, etc. Right? So all these things nowadays, there is no way in which startups are able to keep track of. And somebody wants to invest in a startup, they run helter-skelter and they try to create all these records, and a lot of time they forget to account for a lot of these investments and activities and free services rendered, or the sweat equity, etc. But we are offering a service to all the startups, wherein with the help of onboarded auditor, onboarded lawyer, onboarded value-added services, we are able to help them to keep track of all these various efforts and money invested into this startup by various founders, and that is once again recorded on a blockchain based record keeping with the help of everybody's approval, with the help of these third party services, so that they can come to know on real time basis what share which founder has how much of shares in the organization. So this sort of service will be greatly beneficial to the numerous startups that are coming up, and even organizations which are creating in-house departments to work on different projects, and they are investing a lot of money, and a lot of people are also rewarded in the form of shares or ESOPs or sweat equity in these entities. So this we feel will help benefit the startup world a lot. Thus we are leveraging blockchain to offer trustworthy services in proving credentials, in proving for rewards and recognition programs, to benefit the startups, to benefit every individual, to store their wills and testimonials or any property related documents in a very safe and secure manner. So we are also working with a number of organizations in helping them, for example, in agricultural domain, to keep track of the supply chain of the farm produce from the seed to the ultimate customer. So whether it is the tracking of this, to ensure that there are no fake seeds in the supply chain, to ensure that all the account keeping is instantaneously handled and in a very easy and safe and secure and scalable manner between multiple parties. Like for example, we are working with a company called Heirloom Seedling and Plantation Limited. They are taking seeds and they are producing seedlings through a technology called grafting technology, which they got from Israel and incubated in ICRISAT. So this will multiply the yield of the farm produce by more than 10 times. Okay, so that's unbelievable, but that's happening. That is that company is right now in Kuppam, which is run by a Department of Horticulture, Government of Andhra Pradesh, right? So to help them scale up seamlessly and keep the record keeping very well and ensure that there is proper coordination between various departments, between the seed company, between the farmer, between the Heirloom Seedlings organization, between Department of Horticulture of Andhra Pradesh and also ICRISAT. All these multiple parties will be able to easily share the records in a transparent manner, and everything is automated. So tomorrow, even if the operation scales up 100 times, 1000 times and becomes a global organization, blockchain will enable them to seamlessly tie up the seeds to the ultimate plant. So this sort of fantastic opportunities are provided with the help of blockchain. We are also working with a company called Atomberg Technologies, which is producing energy efficient fans and appliances. They are faced with a lot of fake products. So we are helping them track their product from the manufacturer to the ultimate customer, and customer is able to scan the QR code that is printed on the that is on the box, ultimate box, and ensure that this product is indeed manufactured by Atomberg and we are not buying a fake product, because a fake product will not have the record. Right. So we are working in a healthcare domain, wherein we are working with an organization which is aggregating a lot of medical resources like ICU beds and a lot of medical supplies, and also tracking the health records of patients, of a lot of patients. This company is called Medag Ventures. So we are working with them and help in coordinating between various players in the healthcare domain, whether it is hospitals, whether it is patients diagnostic center and this company, to be able to aggregate all the records in a seamless manner and have a single source of truth for all the documents that are shared between all these various parties. So we are working in, we are slowly expanding our activities across training, across healthcare, agriculture, and premium products. And also we are having our own products like what I discussed, wills management, whether it is certificates, whether it is startup record keeping services, and variety of. In future we are going to come out with more and more services around blockchain, because we feel blockchain is the way to go for the world in the future. It is going to dramatically alter the way we operate. It is going to increase the trust in whatever we do. It is going to ensure that we all are going to consume very highly trustworthy products and services, and we are not paying unnecessarily for all these people who are offering this trust but not doing their job properly, and also subjecting us to all these fake products and services. Thank you.